In this tutorial, we'll guide you through using TicketSpot with Wix, a popular website building platform. With TicketSpot, you can seamlessly manage your events directly within your Wix website. Let's dive in. To get started, let's install the TicketSpot app from the Wix App Store. Head over to the Wix App Store, search for TicketSpot, and install the app to your Wix website. After installing the app, the TicketSpot widget will be added to your Wix editor. To access the app settings, simply right-click on the widget and select Settings. To create an event, click on Dashboard in the settings. This will take you to the TicketSpot dashboard, where you can manage your events. Click on Create Event to start setting up your event. In the event creation form, add a title, description, and images to make your event stand out. If you want to sell tickets for your event, select Sell Tickets as the event type. Add the necessary ticket details, such as ticket names, prices, and quantity limits. Once you've filled in the event details and added tickets, click Publish Event to make it available on your Wix website. You can now close the dashboard and proceed to configure the app directly from the Wix editor. Now, let's switch to the Wix editor. In the editor, locate the TicketSpot widget and right-click on it. Select Settings to access the widget's configuration options. Please note, while the configuration process for Wix users is done within the Wix editor, all other tutorials in the Event Organizer Academy series showcase configuration within the TicketSpot dashboard, providing the same options and functionality. To change the layout of your event listings, go to the Layout section within the widget settings. Explore the different layout options available, such as list, vertical, 2 columns, map, and more. Select the layout that best suits your website's design and style. To customize the widget header text, navigate to the Text section. Modify the widget header to display the desired text that best represents your event listings on your Wix website. To add a personal touch to your widget, you can also change the color and styling. Go to the Design section and adjust the color settings to match your website's branding and design aesthetic. In addition to these customization options, TicketSpot offers a wide range of powerful features to enhance your event management. You can promote your events, engage with attendees through personalized emails and SMS, offer promo codes, efficiently manage attendees, generate and send QR codes, and even use the TicketSpot check-in app to streamline the check-in process. Great job! You've successfully installed the TicketSpot app from the Wix App Store, added an event, and customized the widget's layout, header text, and design within the Wix editor. Now you can effortlessly manage and showcase your events on your Wix website using TicketSpot.